Para sa atin, na mga pinalaki ng sex bomb dancers, ano nga ba ang matututunan natin sa recent concert nila? Pag-usapan natin. So, nagkaroon ng recent concert ang sex bomb at nagbigay din ng statement yung leader nila na si Rochelle. Sabi niya, ang dami kong nilapitang producers pero walang gustong mag-produce. Their story, from rejection to a record-breaking concert. Number 1, your audience never forgets how you made them feel. So, Sex Bomb was part of our childhood. Mga afternoon shows, mga programs sa school, jingles, they weren't just performers, they were part of our generation. Number 2, yung generation natin na mga pinalaki ng Sex Bomb dancers, sila na ngayon. Yung generation na medyo stable na. May pera na, may trabaho, at earning na. So, when they saw Sex Bomb return, naglabasan ngayon yung nostalgia. The good thing, kaya sila na sold out, ang audience nila may purchasing power na. Number 3, consistency builds community. Kahit ilang taon silang nawala sa spotlight, kahit ilang taon silang nagpahinga, so naglabasan yung mga fans nila pagbalik nila. 4, nostalgia is powerful but authenticity is unstoppable. Kung mapapansin mo, Sex Bomb didn't really try to rebrand. Wala silang rebranding. Yes, nag-age sila. Yes, nagkapamilya sila. Yes, nag-mature sila. But they didn't rebrand. They leaned into who they are and people embraced it. Next, of course, never underestimate the power of your quiet supporters. Just because your audience isn't loud doesn't mean they won't show up for you. Panood ko yung isang video ni Rochelle. Sabi niya, akala daw niya, wala daw silang naiwan na legacy sa generation natin. But surprisingly, na-sold out ang kanilang December 4 concert, December 9 concert, at ngayon, magkakaroon ulit sila ng third round. If you are like Sex Bomb na walang naniniwala, walang gustong sumuporta, just keep going. Ganun talaga eh. Sometimes, the world won't clap until you show up on stage. And the first person who will show up for you is you. The Sex Bomb concert proves us one thing, that timing is everything. They were at the right place at the right time. Imagine, the generation that grew up watching Sex Bomb, tayo yung generation natin, we now have jobs and money to spend. So when the Sex Bomb came back, the fans showed up big time. Ikaw, pinalaki ka rin ba ng Sex Bomb dancers? Anong paborito mong kanta at sayaw nila? Comment mo naman sa comment section.